How to set work profile on Android. So if you want to set your work profile on Android, then first you need to open up your settings application. Once you open your settings, you can scroll down and go for Google. And once you open your Google, now make sure to log into your account in which you would like to set up. So for example, I'll be choosing my account. And once you've chosen, now you can go for all services, which is on the right side, and then scroll down, and here you will have setup and restore. Tap on that and then tap on set up your work profile. From here you can set up your work profile. Now tap on next, which is on the bottom right of your screen, and it will download some information about the work profile. So just wait and tap on while using the application. And here it says that you need to enter the code provided by your IT admin. So you will have a code, or you will have scanner or something, so that you can scan and then you can set up your work profile. But without that, you don't have an option. So if you go to the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and tap on don't have a code, then here it says that your code is either a line of text or a QR code. If you don't have a code, contact your IT admin. So to get a code for a demo, visit Android Enterprise website. So you need to have the code, and once you have the code, you can scan that and you can set up your work profile by that way. So that's how you can set up your work profile on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.